Hello everyone, welcome to the AutoCAD Beginner series. Need to rotate an object perfectly? Don't guess. Use the rotate command. Let's see how it works. First, select the object. Now, type RO and press enter. Next, choose a base point. Move your cursor or type an exact angle like 90 degree. Press enter. Done. This is useful for rotating doors, furniture, symbols, or any object that needs the correct angle. For accurate rotation, type the angle instead of trying to rotate it with your mouse. Arrow is a shortcut for the rotate command. Now, you know the fastest way to rotate objects in AutoCAD. In the next video, we will learn how to mirror a object. Thanks for watching.